Tiana. Welcome back to Tiana's Healing Through Art. Sorry I haven't posted any videos in a while, guys. I have kind of been on a hiatus. I had take a step back and kind of get myself together. As some of you may know, I deal with some health issues, and that was part of the reason behind my hiatus. However, I am back, and today I'm going to be doing something with some DecoArt paints, Extreme Sheens, some awesome colors that I have, some pink, Sapphire, Amethyst, and I'm also going to use DecoArt Black Satin Enamel for my base. It's be my first time using a satin enamel for a base, but I was interested to see how it turns out. So I'm gonna try that. I'm also gonna add a DecoArt Metallic Silver and see how that may blend in with everything. And I'm also gonna sneak an interference color in there from Golden's and see what my end result may be. I think I'm gonna do a calendar pour, but I'm also toying with the idea of using my Lazy Susan and see what kind of results I may get. However, I think it's gonna be fun and it's gonna be amazing. So don't forget to like, subscribe to this video and to the page, and check out my links below where I post my artwork. And I also have a store on Amazon, so please check that out as well. Also, I will list all my recipes and the colors and my pour recipes or whatever you may need at the bottom of this video. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's have some fun. Okay, you can see I have a calendar that I've taken a hot glue gun and glued a bottle top to the bottom of it to raise it up a little bit from the canvas so that the paint can pour out of the holes in the calendar a little bit easier. And then I already have my paints mixed, so we're going to begin to pour into the calendars and see what results we end up with. Wish me luck. Okay, so right here I realized that my paint wasn't really moving from the colander. Sorry, I got a little tongue-tied. So I decided to lift it a little bit to get the paint flowing out. As you can see, I had an extra cup with my paints layered in it already. And I decided to add a little bit more paint because I realized by looking at the canvas, the amount of paint that was already on the canvas may not have been enough for what I was trying to achieve. So I added a little bit more paint. Okay, so once I removed the calendar, I took a look at the painting and I decided I wanted to put it on my Lazy Susan and give it a spin. instead of just stretching it out the regular way to see what will happen and what kind of effects I would get. Okay, so right here I decided that I was going to have to do some tilting and maneuvering with the canvas because I don't know if you can see it from your angle, but I had a puddle of black paint that didn't want to move, so I figured I had to work it, and I was trying to be very careful not to lose my middle because I was really loving the effect that that spinning it out gave the center of this pour, and I was loving those ends that kind of flew out, kind of looked like a bursted nebula or a sun or something. So I had to keep working with it to achieve the effect I really wanted. So after adding a couple of swirlies with mascara, I really love the way this pour turned out. I think it's one of my favorites. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.